Alright, here's my house. See if we can make it into the driveway. Whoa, I'm sliding there a little bit here, sorry. Where's the turn? Where's the turn? There, let's see, right here. Oh. Wow. They haven't scraped this yet. The only tracks were from me this morning through this whole subdivision. There was Stato. Oh, losing the garlic bread from Jimmy John. Wow. See if we can get up this thing. Tim's at home. See his van. Oh shit, we're sliding sideways. The garages are opening. Oh. Okay, we're gonna have to get a different run at this. I'm too sideways. There we go. Much better. Bing. And we're in.